Word up, you know? I rose dolo from stage to stage. Ha ha. Word up, you know?
Back at it as usual. The process doesn't change, although the weather has, but the show must go on. Said it before, gotta have help on deck, a roster to be specific. Consistent help definitely won't come from one person. Not in all the years I've been doing this. It's all part of problem solving a boss goes through. Shit happens, you fix it, simple as that. Male or female, no discrimination over here. Truth be told, most female workers need no direction when attacking interiors, and most exteriors can be taught to anybody. She's been with me for a while as well. We don't even speak when we get on the scene. It's all about the same old routine. A few words get said, everyone's work gets checked. Somebody asked me about that young boy I had with me in the past. Well, here's an update. My city swallowed him up. You're not surprised, are you? I've seen it on multiple occasions. I can show you many young black men, even myself at one point in time, the right path. But if that person isn't ready, then it ain't gonna happen for him. It's whatever. In the book of life, you flip the page. On my mission, I already know everybody ain't gonna make it, so it won't be any survivor's remorse over here. When the student is ready, the teacher will appear. You go ahead and write that down. You'll understand when it happens. Definitely won't be when you want it to, but you'll realize when it appears. Yo, this never gets old. Meeting new people every day, getting good reviews, more referrals, more smiles, more success. I don't know too many people who have jobs where they get money handed to them with a compliment and a smile to go with it. This industry has put me in a great position to accomplish my goals and feel exceptional. It should be the same for all of y'all. Season. Feels like it just started, but we're 5 months in. Better be getting right for those winter bills. But right now and always, just knock out as many cars as you can. There's no ceiling in this industry. Camden, what up? New Wave, what up? Like, subscribe, and share.